AMD R9 490X is coming. It's me, Jimmy a Geek. Click the subscribe button if you don't wanna click. Just get off. It's me, Jimmy a Geek. So the story is that Arctic Island is coming instead of the Pirate Island. If you don't know which island is which island, basically the Pirate Island is the R9 300 series, basically the R9 390, R9 390X and the R9 380X, and then the Arctic Island is R9 490X, R9 490 and then the R9 480X basically. So the rumor is that AMD will be launching the R9 4000 series, rather R9 the 400 series, rather launching the R9 300 series. Basically they will use the name 4 instead of using 3. So I mean, what kind of this weird trend is that back in last year, basically Nvidia did the same thing. They really didn't launch the GTX 800 series, rather than they launched the GTX 900 series, and then they have a reasonable excuse. Basically the problem was that the mobile GPU, there was already mobile GTX 860 processor on the mobile. So basically if you launch the same desktop processor, I mean basically if you launch the both at the same time, we can understand. Basically the GTX 860 was already out back 1 year before the launching of the 800 series. So basically they were thinking that they are going to name the GTX 860 processor 870 and 880 for the desktop as a GTX 860 some kind of some kind of I forgot what. Then they were using some kind of alphabet to indicate that this is a new generation, and even they were going to release the same basically processor for the desktop as for the laptop again. Basically there was already GTX 860M, GTX 870M and then a GTX 880M. So on the laptop they was going to do like it was a MQ something, like it's a weird story. It was so confusing. Basically Nvidia say F you, we are just going to skip all together the 800 series, both for the laptop and for the desktop. Jump to 900 series, it will be much easy. Basically if Nvidia did that kind of blunder at that time, it will be really freaking confusing. The Nvidia is really selling GTX 970 980 like a hot cake. Basically just click my video to watch, and do not buy GTX 960 desktop graphic card. Watch my video, click in the description box below, and then I include the GTX 970 MSI link in the description box below. Click that one. Basically okay, it's a really massive confusion. So basically Nvidia say F off, we are not going to launch the 800 series, or otherwise the consumer will be confused. So guys, just let me know, what the hell do you think? Do you think that skipping the R9 300 series is a better thing for the AMD for their renaming, or do you think basically even they will R9 300 series and then R9 400 series? To be honest with you, this is still a rumor up to now. My personal opinion is that AMD will be launching R9 300 series early as March this year, and then they will be launching the R9 400 series late December or early 2016, my opinion. So what do you think, guys? Indeed, I'm really excited for R9 400 and R9 300. Leave your comment box in the below. If you have any question, just ask me. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy a Geek.